SIMOBOTICS is redefining intelligent logistics with the next-generation autonomous mobile robot, built for flexibility, precision, and performance. Introducing Balaban, AI-driven, autonomous, modular. Designed for dynamic industrial and intralogistics environments, Balaban seamlessly integrates advanced AI perception for reliable autonomous operations without extra infrastructure required at your facility. Powered by 3D sensor technology and fleet management intelligence, it autonomously adapts routes, coordinates tasks, and ensures continuous operation 24/7. This technology streamlines material handling processes and significantly improves workflow efficiency. By automating pallet transport, it reduces manual labor and minimizes operational delays. The SIMOBOTIC AMR features a unique modular platform ecosystem that enables effortless adaptability and transformation. By changing the top module, the AMR can seamlessly switch between pallet handling, machine tending, towing, and goods transfer all within the same fleet. This flexibility enhances operational efficiency and expands the system's working capabilities, making Balaban unique and one of a kind. The SIMOBOTIC AMR's efficient power management system ensures quick charging and consistent performance throughout demanding work cycles. It is collaborative. With its advanced safety detection technology, Balaban navigates smoothly and safely around employees, ensuring smooth operations without compromising workplace safety. The AMR is equipped with an advanced intelligent perception system that enables precise pallet detection, picking, and delivery with millimeter accuracy. SIMOBOTICS, shaping the future of material handling with adaptive, autonomous, and intelligent mobility.